And when I was a beginner, I made lots of mistakes, but you don't have to. Choose any one index, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. Avoid getting lost in indicators and patterns in these 2 weeks. Options trading is one of the best ways to make your money work for you. But if not done right, it is the best way to lose all your money as well. But as a new trader, आपको कैसे समझेगा where to put your money? I have been trading for years now, and when I was a beginner, I made lots of mistakes, but you don't have to. Here are 4 steps for you to get started in options trading. First things first, pick just one market to focus on. Choose any one index, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. A market index is like a stock market scorecard that shows the overall performance of a group of stocks. It helps traders to see how the market is doing at a glance. Avoid picking individual stocks for now and just stick to one index. The idea here is to get comfortable with how that market moves and to start recognizing how price behaves, which results in a chart. We'll refine your choice later, so don't stress about it too much right now. Next, monitor the index for 2 weeks using candlestick charts on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and hourly time frames. This helps you spot trends and patterns, providing valuable insights for making informed trading decisions. And here's where Punch comes in handy. It's a single screen trading app that's perfect for part-time traders. You can easily pick your index and time frames and start observing the market right from your phone. Spend a couple of hours learning the basics, like what a 15-minute chart is and how candlesticks work. A candlestick is a visual bar on a stock chart showing price movement for a set time period, looking like a candle with a wick. It helps traders easily see if prices went up or down. During these 2 weeks, just observe. Check out how the price moves, like when it shoots up and then drops, or when it hangs out at a certain level before going higher. Don't worry about why it's happening just yet. Just soak it all in and start to see the price action. It's like watching a slow motion film with candlesticks instead of superheroes. Now here's a crucial concept to grasp: supply and demand. This is what really drives prices in the market. Think of supply and demand like a seesaw on a playground. When more people want to buy, prices rise. And when more people want to sell, prices fall. It's all about balance. Understanding supply and demand is the foundation of successful trading. It's like building a house. If you don't have a solid foundation, the whole thing will come crashing down. So take some time to really wrap your head around this concept. It might seem simple, but it's the key to making informed trading decisions. Now here's a big tip. Avoid getting lost in indicators and patterns in these 2 weeks. It's super tempting, but it can get complicated really fast. I'll explain this in following videos. So there you have it. Stick to one market, watch it closely, and keep it simple. And don't make the same mistakes I did. Learning to trade is a journey, so take your time and enjoy the process. You got this. See you next time.